All right, today we're gonna bring under the cabinet basket, and it's just for the bathroom pretty much. So we're gonna set this up. It comes with instructions here. It's a pull-out method. You're gonna have to set this up, but this is all you get, including the actual place that you could put in here. This is for things won't go to the bottom of the actual ground if you have like smaller objects. They give you the instructions how to set this up. So today we're going to set it up, and they also give you suction cups for the legs. All right, so anywhere you put this in the bathroom or the kitchen, it will work right. So let's put it together and see how it works. This is very simple. It has these little push buttons, if you guys can see, so it can lock in place. No tools necessary to when you put this together. It all comes together real simple, just by locking into the system. All right, so no tools necessary. We're gonna organize this. We got our organizer here, so we're gonna try to set it up. And I like that it comes with this indentation too, so you could turn it around and you can see if it hits there. We're gonna actually put it to the side. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks at the end. All right, here we have it in place already. We're still gonna set up the legs. In fact, they give you some suction cups, some adhesive, double-sided adhesive that when it set it up so this thing will move. But we're adjusting it right now. If you can see, the bottom tray fits perfect for all these things to come up. All right, it doesn't hit them, it doesn't block them out, and these are normal ones that you will find in your bathroom. All right, now they do have some pins that we set up on both sides. All right, and the pins is so it won't come out completely. All right, if you guys can see it, it goes all the way to the back and it goes to the front, but you adjust it how you want. You can't come out all the way out because of the pins, but you can remove them if you want to unlock that feature. Right now, the top one is the same thing. It hits exactly the proper height that you want. If you want, you can adjust this part to even lower it down, but this is how I want it perfectly fit. So if you're gonna buy something like this, look at this. It can go all the way to back, all the way to the front. Easy to set up, easy to move around. Now it's adjusting all the stuff that we had, everything scattered around. Now we have it in one place. We don't have to worry about it. Now you got to do is close the doors, and you're all set to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.